Konnichiwa, Vince です。Hello everyone, this is Vince. 皆さん、本日ですね、今回ご紹介するのは、こちらに表示した話題です。正確に言うと、また中級レベル文法仕組み話題についてお話ししていきたいと思います。Specifically, everyone, what I would like to discuss is again another intermediate level kind of grammar construction. 皆さん、もしよろしければ、チャンネル登録、ぜひよろしくお願いします。登録ボタンを押してくれて、本当にありがとうございます。本当にありがたい。If I could just request if you could please press that subscribe button and also press that like button. それでは皆さん、早速始めていきましょう。始めます。Very well then, let's begin. So we are now on our lesson number 100. Lesson hyakugo. Lesson 100. Lesson hyakugo. Conditionals or joken type conditionals. So in English, it's easy to construct a conditional type of statement because you just have to incorporate the word if. Conditionals meaning you just have to state the condition, and then right after the condition follows the result or expected result or expected consequence. So in English, it's easy. You just have to use the word if, and you can already state the consequence or result. But in Japan, it's not that easy. Actually, we have 4 types of conditional, and for today, lesson 100, I will discuss the easiest among the 4, which is the natural consequence using the particle to. Or the conditional to, or natural consequence by the use of particle to. The conditionals using to. That's the easiest among the 4 because we have 4. To, nara or naraba, and then the suffix ba, and then suffix tara. Suffix ba, suffix tara. So we will first deal with the easiest, which is the conditional to. So if I could just first show you the purpose of lesson 100, which is the conditional to. Well, what is the purpose of this lesson? This is intermediate level kind of grammar. To express that when a condition, let's say X, to express that when condition X happens, as a natural consequence, Y happens. The conditioner X is oftentimes, but not always, but there are also times, but oftentimes characterized by an indispensable presence of a main verb that actuates the condition, or the main verb that actuates the condition, or the main verb that characterizes the condition. Such main verb may be a transitive verb and can also be an intransitive verb. And we already dealt about the difference between the transitive verb and the intransitive verb. We've already done that in our previous lessons. So oh, what's that? Sorry, minasan. Sorry. But first, we have to deal with some vocabulary here, and we have some vocabulary here. Otos is to drop, but this is transitive verb. Otos, to drop, transitive verb. Ochiru, you can notice that number 2 and 3 have the same kanji but different kunyomi. Otos means to drop. This is a transitive verb. ochiru. Ochiru means also to drop or to fall, but the context is this ochiru is an intransitive verb. This is an intransitive verb in contrast with number 2, which is a transitive verb. Now number 4, denki. Denki, that's electricity. Denki. Okay, minasan. So, korai, dark. Kesu, to erase. Kesu, to erase. We all know gakko and the other verbs. You're already familiar with that. And you can also still screenshot those so that we can save time. How about this? Taksan is an adverb. It could be an adjective and an adverb. Taksan means a lot or many. Futoru means to become fatter or increase in your BMI or you became fat. Sensei, teacher. Kito is for sure. Toshi-ue, older. Toshi-ue, older in terms of age. Now, minasan, we will first cover the simplest of all the if or simplest among the 4 conditionals, and this is the conditional type to. Conditional to. Okay, so just like if I drop a ball, it will fall to the ground. If I turn off the lights at night, it will get dark. See the natural consequence. And we have here a summary in gray box. Rules for the conditional to. Attached to. So to will be in between the condition and result. Attached to right after the condition and then followed by the result. The result being the one that will occur should the condition be satisfied. And there's another type of conditional to. This is the most common. This is the more common rather. Number 1. But this is also a possible state. Number 2. This is also a conditional to. Number 2. State of being or the noun type SLVC. Remember the SLVC pattern? The cedar is a noun type SLVC. State of being must be made explicit. How do you make explicit? The state of being, you suffix da before you add the to. Then you can have the result. Okay? So, just like here, examples. それでは皆さん、それでは例文を Whatever then about the examples. ボールを落とすと落ちる。ボールを落とすと落ちる。If you drop the ball, it will fall. 電気を消すと暗くなる。電気を消すと暗くなる。If you turn off the lights, it will get dark. These examples are designed to show how to is used to express natural consequences. However, if the statement isn't a natural consequence in itself, the to will tell the audience that it is a nevertheless expected to be a natural consequence or an unexpected event. Just like here, minasan. 学校に行かないと. So this is the main verb that I'm talking about a while ago. This is the main verb. 行かない, iku. The nai form of iku, 行かない. Here the main verb is 食べる. Here 行く, but in nai form 行かない. Okay, so that's the main verb. 学校に行かないと友達と会えないよ。会えない is 会える is the should I say the potential form of 会う the potential form of ao is aeru. The negative form of potential form of ao is aenai. Ao means to meet someone. If you don't go to school, you can't meet your friends. 学校に行かないと友達と会えないよ。学校に行かないと友達と会えないよ。If you don't go to school, you can't meet your friends. たくさん食べると太るよ。たくさん食べると太るよ。If you eat a lot, of course you will get fat. Here, example number 3 is what we have mentioned here. Number 2, state of being plus da plus to equals result. So just like here, sensei da. Sensei is a noun. Sensei is an SLVC type of noun or complement type of noun. So you add da before you add dito. Sensei da to hito toshi ue nan janai desu ka? Sensei da to hito toshi ue nan janai desu ka? If he's a teacher, he must be older for sure, right? For sure is hito. Sensei da to hito toshi ue nan janai desu ka? Okay, so this is somewhat a rhetorical type of question. Okay, sensei da to, meaning this is a state of being. Sensei da is state of being. So sensei is a noun type of SLVC type of noun. So you place da before you place to. Sensei da to hito toshi ue nan janai desu ka? If he's a teacher, he must be older for sure, right? Okay, the for sure or hito part is the implied meaning supplied by the to. Okay, the speaker is saying that the following condition will occur in that situation no matter what. As you can see from the last example, number 3, if the condition is a state of being, just like sensei da or sensei, it must be expressed explicitly. So how do you express explicitly the state of being? You add da. It must be expressed explicitly using the da. This applies to all non-conjugated nouns and the adjectives that I'm sure you're used to by now. This will also prevent confusion with the other use of the particle to. So for the last part of our lesson, minasan, I will just show you other material here. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, okay, sorry about that. Okay, sumimasen. Sorry wa, sumimasen. Okay, so the principle behind our lesson number 100, principle behind the conditional to. If you do X, then consequence Y happens. Or if condition X is satisfied, then result Y happens. Or if cause X happens, then the consequence Y happens. Examples, minasan. Examples. If a worker oversleeps, then he or she becomes tardy for work. If a worker oversleeps, then he or she becomes tardy for work. Just like here, minasan. Shukunin ga nebo suru to chikoku suru no da. Shukunin ga nebo suru to chikoku suru no da. Shukunin ga nebo suru to chikoku suru no da. So Nebo is oversleeping. Chikoku is late. Shokunin is a worker. It's a worker or craftsman. Number 2. A cell phone, when dropped at a height of 30 meters, surely will be broken. A cell phone, when dropped at a height of 30 meters, surely will be broken. 携帯は30メートルで落ちると確実に壊れるのだ。A cell phone, when dropped at a height of 30 meters, surely will be broken. 携帯は30メートルで落ちると確実に壊れるのだ。携帯は30メートルで落ちると確実に壊れるのだ。Okay, so this is our lesson 100 actually. So if you oversleep, nebo, this is oversleeping, nebo. And you'll be surprised with the time, and you will have a very fast heartbeat by this time. Okay, because you overslept. If a worker oversleeps, then he or she becomes tardy for work. So you can see, minasan, nebo shokunin ga nebo suru to chikoku suru no da. Just like here in our example. See? Here, just like here in our example, shokunin ga nebo suru to chikoku suru no da. So just like here, the main verb here in the condition part is nebo suru, oversleeping. And the consequence is being late, chikoku suru no da. So that's it, minasan. We've already covered our last lesson for this day, and I thank you for watching until the end. Okay, so that's it, minasan. So until the next lesson, minasan, I'm going to see you in the next lesson. それでは皆さん、これで終了、レッスンが終了のだ。最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。最後まで見てくれてありがとう。本当にありがとう。I thank you for watching until the end, and thank you for always for giving support to my channel. 応援してくれてありがとう。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。I'll see you in the next lesson, 皆さん。And thank you for watching. ありがとう。Thank you very much. Bye bye.